Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search and find people on Snapchat. If you know the Snapchat user of your colleague, you can easily find this person and add into your friends list. Follow these steps and you will learn several methods how you can do it. Just tap on the Snapchat application and when you are on the camera screen, type in a person or username into this search bar. Once you find the person, tap the add button. Actually, you may take the similar action and find a person from your Snapchat profile page. In this case, press this add friend section, type in a person username in the search bar and again you can simply tap on this add button to add him or her in your friend list. However, if you have a person snap code, you may click on the ghost icon in the top right corner, select that person's snap code image and you can add that way as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.